Yusek, with the appointment of former Yusek Ruth Castelo, do you see this as, in a way, a battle of among spokesperson?
No, I don't think so.
Is it
Bakit may battle? It's all about facts, truth, transparency.
Tristan Nodalo, Newswatch Plus.
Hi, Yusek. Siguro medyo related na lang din po doon sa tanong ni Mase on having, ano pong may papayo nyo na lang doon kay Yusek Castelo bilang spokesperson. And sabi niya rin po, she will not be an attack dog and will just report on sa mga nagagawa ng OVP.
Hindi siya attack dog. Definitely, VP Sara doesn't need anymore an attack dog. Hindi niya na po kailangan ng isang attack dog. So, you know what I mean.